The journey to liver health changed my life in ways I never expected. After years of feeling constantly fatigued, experiencing digestive issues, and battling unexplained skin problems, I discovered the remarkable power of beetroot for liver health. Most people have no idea that this vibrant root vegetable contains unique compounds scientifically proven to support liver function and detoxification. My personal experience with beetroot began after struggling with persistent health issues that multiple doctors couldn't fully explain. What makes beetroot exceptional for liver health is its rich concentration of betaine, a compound that actively helps liver cells eliminate toxins. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition shows that betaine reduces fatty deposits in the liver and protects against environmental toxins we encounter daily. My transformation began with a simple 2-day beetroot protocol that anyone can follow. I was skeptical at first, but the research from the University of Exeter demonstrating beetroot's ability to lower liver enzymes in patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease convinced me to try. Beetroot contains nitrates that convert to nitric oxide in the body, improving blood flow to the liver and enhancing its natural cleansing abilities. This increased circulation helps your liver perform its over 500 essential functions more efficiently. The betaines in beetroot, compounds that give it that deep red color, are powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Studies from the National Institutes of Health confirm these compounds help neutralize toxins before they can damage liver cells. What surprised me most was how quickly I noticed changes. Within just 2 days of my beetroot protocol, the persistent brain fog I'd experienced for years began lifting. By the end of the week, my digestion had improved dramatically, and my skin started clearing up. The protocol itself is remarkably simple. You'll need 1 medium organic beetroot per day, approximately 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Organic is important as beetroot effectively absorbs compounds from soil, and you want to avoid pesticides or chemicals. Start by thoroughly washing the beetroot and removing the greens. Save these for salads as they're also nutritious. You don't need to peel it if it's organic. Many nutrients are concentrated just beneath the skin. Simply cut it into chunks for easier processing. The most effective preparation method preserves beetroot's enzymes and nutrients. Combining raw and lightly steamed beetroot provides both the enzyme benefits of raw food and the increased bioavailability that comes with gentle cooking. For day 1, blend half your beetroot raw with 1 cup of filtered water and a small slice of lemon for taste and to increase nutrient absorption. Lightly steam the other half for 10 minutes. Let it cool, then blend with another cup of water. Consume these 2 drinks in the morning and afternoon. For day 2, repeat the same preparation but add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric to each drink. Turmeric contains curcumin, which works synergistically with beetroot compounds to enhance liver detoxification pathways, according to research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food. Drink plenty of filtered water throughout both days, at least 8 to 10 glasses. Water helps your liver flush toxins more effectively and prevents dehydration that could result from increased detoxification. The reason this protocol works so quickly relates to how beetroot compounds interact with phase 2 liver detoxification enzymes. These enzymes transform toxins into water-soluble compounds that can be eliminated through urine, which explains the changed color you might notice. Harvard medical researchers found that the nitrates in beetroot juice reach peak concentration in the bloodstream within 2 to 3 hours of consumption. This creates an optimal window for enhanced liver function, which is why spacing your beetroot drinks throughout the day maximizes benefits. Some people may experience a harmless condition called beeturia, red-tinged urine or stools, after consuming beetroot. This is completely normal and actually indicates your body is properly absorbing the beneficial compounds. About 14% of the population experiences this effect. Individuals with certain conditions should approach this protocol with caution. Those with a history of kidney stones, certain types of anemia, or low blood pressure should consult with healthcare providers first, as beetroot can affect these conditions. My experience with this 2-day beetroot cleanse was so positive that I now incorporate smaller amounts of beetroot into my regular diet for maintenance. Research from the World Journal of Gastroenterology supports this approach, showing that consistent, Moderate beetroot consumption provides ongoing liver support.